Hey guys, so Samsung will be announcing the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition in Unpacked event on September 23rd. This device will compete against the flagship OnePlus 8T and the upcoming iPhone 12 base model. By looking at the specifications, it's definitely going to destroy the OnePlus 8T, and we know almost everything about the phone, so let's start with the display. It will have a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus resolution with 120Hz refresh rate Super AMOLED panel. There is no doubt that display will be amazing on this phone along with that high refresh rate, but the device will have a plastic back design just like the standard Galaxy Note 20 with triple camera sensors, which means OnePlus 8T will be ahead of the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition in terms of build quality. But the good thing is phone will have a dust and water resistance IP68 rating, which will give an extra plus point to the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. Also, it will be available in 6 interesting colors in matte finish, cloud navy, cloud white, cloud pink, cloud red, cloud blue, and at last cloud gold. Under the hood, phone will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 flagship CPU for 5G markets and Exynos 990 for 4G markets. So the performance would be great for gaming as well as in normal tasks, but OnePlus 8T will easily beat the Exynos variant in some markets, so Samsung has to deal with it. The Galaxy S20 Fan Edition will be available in 8GB of RAM / 128GB of storage plus a micro SD card slot as well, which is a plus point for it as the OnePlus 8T won't offer any storage expansion, so this device will have an extra edge here. On the back of the phone, there will be a triple camera setup just like the standard Galaxy Note 20 in a square type module, 12 megapixel main flagship sensor with OIS, which is the same sensor as the Galaxy S20 and S20 Plus offers, 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and 8 megapixel telephoto shooter with 3x optical zoom, and for the selfie camera there is a punch hole cutout for 32 megapixel sensor. Coming to the battery, there is a 4500 mAh with 25 watts fast charging, but in order to get 25 watt charging speed, customer need to purchase an extra fast charger because the phone will ship with only 15 watt charger in the box. But the good thing is it will have support for wireless charging up to 15 watts and 4.5 watts reverse wireless charging as well. And now for the pricing, latest reports suggest it will cost around $700, which is also a great price for that kind of specification, but we have to wait for some more information to come out. So that is it in this video guys. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section about the upcoming Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, and if you end up liking this video then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more updates. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.